Let's create a web motion without using any keyframe. Let's create a capsule shape and change its color. Change the radius as value to 0, e-value to 40, and length to 80. Now create a duplicator. On the duplicator, let's change the shape rotation to 90. Center the composition. Change the distribution to linear. To linear. The count to 40. And on the size, right click and add an oscillator. Change the values of the oscillator to 1000 and 5000. The stagger to 0. Change the minutes and 10 as frequency. This is the result. Create a second duplicator. Change the distribution to linear. Direction to vertical and the size mode to step. Count to 40 and size to 120. This is the result so far. In order to create variation during time, let's add a behavior on the shape time offset node, a stagger behavior, and change its value to 40. Let's see the final result. Thank you for watching.